Hey friends, it's Ian Khan at Consensus 2025. I'm talking with Lia about their business, what they do, why are they innovating. What are you working on, Lia?
Hi, my name is Lia. I'm a co-founder of BitGPT. We're creating infrastructure for a decentralized AI agent economy. So really looking at what do agents need in the next 2 to 5 years and creating architecture that's also privacy preserving and kind of leverages the best of AI and blockchain.
Yeah, so they're saying this is the year of agentic AI. Every conference I go to, people are talking about AI, right?
Yes.
From, name it. Every conference is about AI. Agentic AI. What is this agentic AI era that we are living in right now?
Yeah, I mean, personally, I like to call it like we're moving from an automation economy to a delegation economy, which is before, I could use the web and different bots to help me automate maybe my workflows. But now I can, for example, delegate an entire e-commerce journey to an AI agent. And so an agent has the ability to be programmable based on the outcome that you want, but to also take decisions in that process of like, okay, in order to get to the end result of maybe I want to plan a wedding, right? It's gonna have to sift through different vendors, different payment processes, different websites, and giving it that delegation autonomy is really what I think this new paradigm is kind of going to be marked by.
And so will this era of agentic AI impact everything we do? Will it impact how we shop, how we study, how we work, right?
Absolutely. I think what we've seen thus far is we use AI in a way where it still responds to our prompts, right? We're still prompting it, we're directing and orchestrating it. In the future, I do believe that kind of SaaS and UI and UX will change massively, if not being completely dead, because we're just going to be interacting with one AI agent that's going to be sort of touching on different services in the web. They're definitely going to be augmented by the agent experience. And so I think that is a very near-term future that we're looking towards.
So what are you guys doing that's different, it's new, it's innovative?
Yeah, I think there's a lot of AI agent frameworks out there, and that's also a recognition that we had. We all have a different special sauce, so do we, but more importantly, what we just launched is a payment protocol actually for agents, because we looked at the entire stack that's needed, not just, hey, I can come and make my agent, I can manage my agent, but ultimately the buy-in from commercial retailers and merchants is, can I monetize my agent? And we launched a protocol that's open called H402, which uses HTTP 402, the standard in every website worldwide. It's an existing standard like the 404 error code, which was originally made for paying and payments, but it's very arduous, and so we kind of started relying on Stripe and Klarna and PayPal. They take a lot of fees, whereas an AI agent will be able to pay and sort of settle in between itself with different vendors, so agent to agent, agent to merchant, and agent to individual. Okay,
so I guess the next iteration of this agentic AI is the payment mechanism and how it works.
Yeah, at least for us, it was like, how can we move the needle, right? First of all, how can we get all AI agent frameworks to be compatible? And that's through the payment infrastructure. And secondly, how can we differentiate our own AI agent, builder, which does have a very specific methodology. We use small language models that are hosted on edge compute, that are privacy preserving because they interact with each other in trusted execution environments. But you can have all this amazing deep tech, but the thing that brings adoption and attention is, can people come and monetize their agents through you? And that's really the learning that we had and why we built this infrastructure.
Excellent. So what are the next few years for you looking like? What is it that you want to accomplish, and what are you doing?
Yeah, we really want to build essentially a decentralized AI agent economy